Mastering the Art of Persuasion. Understanding, butter up to someone. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often heard in English conversations. Butter up to someone. If you've ever wondered what it means to butter someone up and how you can use this expression effectively, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and add another interesting phrase to your English toolkit. To butter up to someone means to flatter or compliment someone, usually with the intention of gaining favor or approval. Picture this. Just as butter is smoothly spread on bread to make it more appealing. When you butter up to someone, you're laying on the compliments thickly to make yourself more appealing to them. It's all about making a good impression to achieve a specific purpose. Whether that's to get help with something, to persuade them to see things your way, or simply to be liked. Understanding the origins of phrases can make them easier to remember. The expression, butter up, is believed to stem from an ancient Indian custom where throwing balls of clarified butter at statues of the gods was thought to earn favor. Over time, this concept of trying to win favor was translated metaphorically into the English phrase we use today. So, when you're buttering someone up, think of it as trying to win their favor, just as ancient people tried to win the favor of their gods with butter. Using butter up to someone in conversation can be quite straightforward. It's often used in a slightly humorous or critical sense, to suggest that the flattery might not be completely sincere or is being done for personal gain. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. She's been buttering up to the boss all week, hoping to get that promotion. Before asking for a favor, he decided to butter him up with compliments on his recent work. When using this phrase, it's essential to be mindful of the context and the relationship between the people involved, as it can sometimes imply manipulation or insincerity. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Try to come up with your own sentences using butter up to someone. Think about scenarios where you might need to win someone's favor or approval. How would you use flattery or compliments in those situations? Remember, the key is to use the phrase in a way that's appropriate for the context and the relationship dynamics. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, butter up to someone. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you insights into the nuances of English expressions. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery, and every new phrase you learn opens up new ways of expressing yourself. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to butter up to someone if the situation calls for it. Just be sincere about it. Until our next linguistic adventure, happy learning!